Karamihan sa mga boxing fans ay gustong makapanood ng maaksyon na laban kung saan inaabangan talaga nila ang knockouts. Ngunit mas maaksyon itong ating mapanood ngayon mga tol dahil unang round pa lang may 3 bagsak na dito sa labanan ng Pinoy kontra sa Hapon na pinsan ni Naoya Inoue. Ito ay ang laban ng Batang Negros, ang tubong Bacolod City na si Genesis Servania na may 29 wins at 9 knockouts na binansagang Azukal. Pagkatapos nakamit ni Servania ang 21 na panalo at naging WBC Silver Super Bantamweight Champion at WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion. Upang mas lalong masubok ang kanyang galing, nilaban na ito sa labas ng bansa. Nagtungo ang team ni Servania mga tol sa Macau, China upang harapin itong pinsan ni Naoya Inoue na si Konsuke Tomiyama na may 23 wins at 9 knockouts sa kanyang kartada, na isang Oriental and Pacific Boxing Federation Champion at lumalaban na rin sa World Championship. Ito ang pinakamahirap na laban na naranasan ni Servania mga tol, kung saan parehong bumagsak sa unang round ang dalawang fighters, ngunit parehong nagpakita ng tibay at tapang. Tumayo lang ito at tuloy pa rin sa pakikipaglaban. Halika mga boxing fans, ating panoorin kung paano nalampasan ng Pinoy na si Servania itong pinsan ni Naoya Inoue. Ang ating Pinoy na si Servania mga tol ay may 21 wins, walang talo na may 9 knockouts kontra sa Hapon na si Tomiyama naman na may 23 wins, 3 losses na may 9 knockouts. Ito ay para sa depensa ni Servania sa hawak na WBO Asia Super Bantamweight title na ginanap sa Kutai Arena sa Macau, China. Sa pagbungad pa lang ng round 1 mga tol, mainit na kaagad ang palitan ng suntok ng dalawang boxers.
Super Bantamweight champion Tomiyama, a long-range fighter out of Tokyo, Japan, and he is dead.
Mula sa solidong suntok na naipatama ni Servania, bagsak si Tomiyama, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
Tomiyama, long-range fighter out of Tokyo, Japan, and he is down. Dramatic turn that this fight takes immediately. Taking the mandatory 8 count. Just about to tell you that Tomiyama has actually fought for the World Championship a couple of years back against the world. And a very rocky start for Tomiyama. Servania looking great here in the opening moments, and now Tomiyama comes combination of the fight. And here comes Servania, and these two for Tomiyama. Servania looking great here in the opening moments, and now Tomiyama comes back into the fight. And here comes Servania, and these two are throwing the leather early. Rocky first minute. And he scores a knockdown with a left. Here comes Tomiyama back.
Mula naman sa solidong counter ni Tomiyama mga tol, bagsak si Servania, ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tapang.
And he scores a knockdown with a left hand. Both fighters have tasted the canvas here. They count for the champion, Servania. Here comes Tomiyama back. Good jab. Monosuke. Very aggressive, as you can see, he's up on his toes. That's his style. And a fine left-right combination by Tomiyama. Stops Servania on his track. Servania tries to answer back, and the champion is down again. Second time he is...
Mula sa mga suntok ni Tomiyama mga tol, bagsak ulit si Servania, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
Servania on his track. Servania tries to answer back, and the champion down.
Mas lalong tumitindi ang palitan ng mga malalakas na suntok dito sa ikalawang round mga tol, na gustong makakuha ng knockout ang dalawang boxers.
I started to mention to you is long-range fighter.
Agresibo itong dalawang boxers dito sa round 3 mga tol, na wala talagang plano patagalin ang laban.
Donrex Huxadan. These have been meaty like blows with both of these. It has worked very well early. But he was right back, but Tomiyama's was the more effective. Now Servania with the never stopped bouncing.
He's like you said, he's constantly bouncing his. How long can you keep up that pace? Like you said, he's constantly.
A lot of wasted energy, but that's. Right, and down goes Tomiyama for the.
Mula sa malakas na kanan ni Kabayan na tumama, bagsak si Tomiyama, pero napahanga ka rin sa tibay nito. Tumayo lang at nakipagsabayan.
Let's see what Servania can do. by Cervania. Tomiyama in trouble. Back into a corner. Hard right by Cervania. Tomiyama in trouble. Back into a corner. Bell sounds into the round.
Sa round 4 mga tol, umatake na ang Hapon na gustong makabawi mula sa pagbagsak, ngunit sinabayan din siya ni Kabayan.
That formula here again, but Cervania is undeterred. Left hook, really, on it. And down on their punches, want to get proper leverage in their punches and go along and develop. And now Tomiyama mounting his own comeback and sensing that as well, urging him on. Has been enjoying what has been an intent. Tomiyama does have the good.
10 seconds. Stop it down.
Oh, beautiful left hook by Cervania. Gets Tomiyama in trouble. Staggers back against the rope from his hip. Stemming. Very enjoyable. You come out here to Macau. You come out here to Macau. Right. Tomiyama also has a very good right, but usually it follows his jab left by Cervania. This arena, they have 6 videos aboard this action. Long range right hand and
Sa ika-6 na round mga tol, parang wala pa rin kapaguran ang dalawang fighters, habang naghiyawan naman ang mga Chinese fans sa kanilang nasaksihan.
nice combination. It's been mostly a headhunt, right? Maybe that's when he that he's thrown in this round was to the body. A one-armed fighter against Cervania is going to be in some real trouble. A one-armed fighter against is going to be in some real trouble. Tries to flash out his chin. Right back to the jab goes Tomiyama.
Sa round 7 mga tol, tumama ang mga malalakas na suntok ni Tomiyama, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay itong batang Negros.
It's nice to see the broadcast crew of Larry Merchant, Tim Ryan, George Foreman yesterday. George holding court at the press conference for Pacquiao and Rios today. You can really dig it to the body too. Body or him. Nice jab work though by Tomiyama.
Nagpakitang gilas pa rin ang dalawang boksingero hanggang dito sa ika-8 round mga tol, na gustong ma-impress ang mga hurado.
Fighter against Tomiyama had fought for a world title, but Cervania, his last fight against fighters recently, really picking up his level of competition. This is another tough opponent here for him. It was partially blocked by the shoulder of Tomiyama. Tomiyama answered back with
Agresibong umatake itong Hapon dito sa round 9 mga tol, ngunit tumama din ang mga counters ni Cervania.
and it may still not.
Still have time.
Tomiyama having success with the right hand. First with his forward, he's going right at Cervania. Tomiyama's encouraged by the success he's had.
Pansamantalang inawat ng referee ang laban mga tol dahil malakas na ang tulo ng dugo sa mukha ni Cervania mula sa banggaan ng ulo. Ngunit dahil dito, pinatigil na ng ring doktor ang laban.
It is. This fight is over. Now Tomiyama thinks he is winning.
Grabe naman ang tuwa at sigaw nitong pinsan ni Inoue mga tol dahil akala nitong manalo na siya sa laban sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout. Dahil ang sugat ni Kabayan mga tol ay mula sa aksidenteng banggaan ng ulo, na uwi sa scorecards ang desisyon ng laban. Talagang nawamali ang kampo ng mga Hapon mga tol dahil lumabas na panalo ang ating Pinoy via technical split decision. Sa inyo namang score sa laban mga tol, pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
By way of technical split decision. And still, WBO Asia Pacific Champion.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.